Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and I have some beautiful Christmas lights to show you. These are stars, and this is from the company Gigalumi, and I'll have all their information below. They approached me back in September asking me if I would show y'all some Halloween lights. And what they showed me was this giant ghost that would be in the front yard. And you know, like the air blows up in it and everything. They have all kinds of different lights. And I said that thank you, but I really couldn't show something like that. I don't have any electrical outside. So they said, well, what about for Christmas? And I said, well, it would have to be something small. And they're like, yeah, we have plenty of things like that. So I will put the link below for these lights, and then you can see their shop. And their name is Gigalumi, Gigalumi. And this particular package is 3 stars, and I'm going to tell you some about them. They are timer controlled. It has a remote control, which is so cool, and you can change the lights. It's powered by batteries, and let me show you. This is here they are out of the package. They're a nice metal. Oops, I got them a little tangled. But this is how they look. And they have this where you can hang them. So you can hang them or put them on a suction cup on your window or anything like that. And then they each have a box like this. And they each take 3 AA batteries, which they do not come with. But these are very easy to do. It clicks like that to open it. Open it up, put your batteries in. And then there is this to operate it. And I'm gonna show you all that. I'm gonna hang it on the wall and show you. I will give you a disclaimer right now that the lights are absolutely beautiful, but they flicker a lot. So if you have any trouble with flickering lights, you might wanna bow out now. Because I don't want anybody to get, I'm flicking them right now. I don't want anybody to get a headache, or I know that I have a friend that has seizures, and flickering lights can cause that. So I just wanted to tell you that. So they are waterproof as well. So you can put them outside or put them inside. And like I said, they're timer controlled. And this is a great time to get them because you'll have them for Christmas. And let me hang them up and show you how they are. All right, I put up 2 so you can see them. I have some dimensions for you. Each height of each star is 11.4 inches. The cord is 60 inches. So here's the box. And so this can lay on your windowsill, or you could let it hang, depending on how you have that up there. And this is when I'm gonna turn them on, the remote control. The remote control came with a tab. Smudge, you can't come through here. And you pull that out, and then you can use it. And you can dim the lights. You can do several different things. It's just, they're really, really cool. But they will flash, so please be aware of that. Okay, so I'm gonna hit the on, and there they come on, and they're beautiful. And then you can use this remote to do different things. There's a timer that you can set, and there's different modes you can make it do different things. Isn't that pretty? It'd be so pretty in the window. And they can flash all kinds of different ways. Smudge is very interested. He's off to the side here. I think this one might be my favorite. Well, then I see this and I think this one might be my favorite. I really like them. I think they're beautiful. They're very lightweight. Hey, Smudge. But they're made of a really sturdy, you know, like the old-fashioned metal from a hanger is how they are. And they're welded at the point with the hole in it that you can hang them from. And they're just super pretty, y'all. And then there's the off button. And you also can control all of that from the box. Like I said, there's these nice tabs here that you just open. The batteries are inside. And there is this to control it from inside here. So if you were to lose the remote, you can control it here. Okay. Hold it down in different ways and, you know, turn it off and everything. So that's just, I just think they're really very pretty. And then you can get them on, you know, with that type of thing, you can get them on a different pattern. You can get them doing different things if you don't use the remote. So that is the lights, and the link is there on Amazon, and they do have many different decorative types of lights and different things for outside, for inside, and they're just really beautiful. And like I said, these in particular are indoor, outdoor. You can use them both ways. So thanks for stopping by and seeing these. And again, I don't, if you use the link, look, you know, it'll be on Amazon. So there may be, you know, how they have sometimes like 5% off. You can click on that. I don't, you know, and if you have Prime, you'll get free delivery and all that. I don't get anything for you to use the link. This is just to show you this item. And also then when you go in on any product on Amazon, if it'll show the seller, and then you can look at their quote unquote store and see all the other things that they have, because this company has a lot of different lights for, like I said, for Halloween and for Christmas and for throughout the year. So thank you so much for stopping by, y'all, and count your blessings. I just think they're really pretty.